Hey guys, so you want to see how I got this awesome sunset hair color with the purple roots and the orange? Do you like it? Because I do. You want to find out how I got it? Keep watching the video. So to get started with this look, what do you need, you say? Well, let's get our handy dandy gloves so you don't want color on your hands. And then I have my crappy t-shirt, as you can see. You need some bowls. I have bowls for every color. And then I have brushes for every color. Okay. Minus the hairs. You don't want hairs. No hairs. Okay. To start off, I am putting up my hair. Okay, this is good. Okay, this will all be orange. Okay, so starting with the orange color. I'm not going to dilute it because I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. They do all have this little seal on the top of them. You have to peel it off. Now that looks a bit darker than what I was expecting. And it smells good. I'm gonna do a good amount. Okay, it is kind of like a burnt orange kind of color. Yes. So I am going to dilute it with my cheap white conditioner. Just a little bit. This is a conditioner based dye. So it's really not necessary to add the conditioner. Mostly if you are trying to get a little bit different of a color than what it is. So, of course I'm gonna need more than this, but it's a much prettier color. It's a little bit more what I was going for. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Retard, I sound like. Okay. Let's put the orange on. Guys, this orange color is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. Alright guys, so now I have the orange is done. And I love it. So next we're going to do the Purple Rain. That will be on my root. This one does not require mixing because I discovered if you mix the Purple Rain, that sound is not me, guys. Listen. Okay, that's not doing it. It's going. Okay. So the Purple Rain, do not dilute it. If you want that good purple-looking color, it looks black, but it's purple. Don't dilute it. I don't recommend it. So the other color is going to be my scientific color because I have to mix colors to try and get the one that I want. So, I need to get a corally, for reference, a corally reddish pinky kind of color. So, we're gonna start out with Virgin Pink. Here. Excuse me. I had beans this morning. Okay, and I have a spoon because I only own 2 brushes because I haven't figured out that I colored my hair enough to own 3 brushes. So I have a spoon. Pink! Now, to play, I'm going to mix some of the orange into the pink because I feel like that will give it that coral kind of color that I made. A little bit on there. So you see the orange, so it's mostly virgin pink and a little tad of the orange, the sunset orange. And that's how you get that reddish pinkish color, and we're gonna go with it because I think it's gonna be perfect. So next, again, I don't know why I didn't do the mixture, all of them, before I put the orange on. But again, we're gonna go with it. Go. Gloves again. Good thing I have a whole box of them. I used to steal them from the doctor's offices where I worked. And now I bought them online. Okay, so let's go start off. Let's clip this back. Let's go with the little black one. It's ASMR. Have you seen these videos? They're kind of weird, I think. I don't know, it's kind of weird to me. Guys, so I am finally done. I have everything in my hair. I think it's going to turn out really well. I'm excited to see the final result. And I'm pretty sure pigs are flying outside right now because I have an actual shower cap. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I use plastic bags regularly. But I found one that I had from a while ago. So I'm going to use it. So I'm going to put my hair up. Oh crap. It fits. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this set for a minimum of 5 to 7 hours because I'm pretty sure this is my favorite color that I have ever done. And I've done a lot of colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this on my head and I will see you guys after I rinse it out. Hey guys, I am back. This is the final result. What do you think? So, I even did some curls for you. I never do curls because I'm not good at them and they don't ever stay. But it turned out pretty good. I'm digging it. I love it. Gorgeous. Thank you, Arctic Fox. Okay. Orange. Well guys, I hope you liked this video, and I didn't forget, we do have a giveaway going on right now through May 25th, 2018. So today's Wednesday. You have 2 more days to complete the giveaway entries. So 2 people are going neck and neck right now. Whoever has the most entries wins. If you saw my giveaway video, didn't see it, watch it now, or there, whatever, you know, it goes. But yeah, so watch the giveaway video. It gives all the details, the link that you need to click to get your initial entries. Once you get that initial entry, you are a verified subscriber. Then you can go through the videos. There's only about 3 other videos before this one where you comment the secret word, which will get you an extra entry. Now, good for you guys, nobody's commenting, so there's very few people who have actually commented who are actually getting the entries. So there's only 2 of you that I have seen that are going neck and neck right now. So it's going to be interesting to see who wins. This will be probably the last video before the giveaway announcement on Friday to see who wins, so good luck. The giveaway secret word is going to be sunset. Today the secret word is sunset. So comment that below to get, let's go ahead and give you 2 entries for this one because this is the last one. This might be the deal breaker to see who will pull ahead and win the $25. That's right, I'm giving away $25, which isn't a whole lot. It's just a thank you to say thank you for helping me reach my 50 subscribers. As you guys can see, I believe I'm at 89 right now, which means we're going to be doing another giveaway because when I get to 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $50. So keep watching videos, keep subscribing, keep telling your people because we are going to be doing lots of fun stuff on this channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like my hair tutorials, and comment the secret word, and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I hope to see you in my next one. Alrighty, thanks guys. Okay, bye.